Nowruz, also known as Persian New Year, is celebrated on the first day of spring in the Iranian calendar for the past 1,000 years and is a gift for nature lovers. Every March, 300 million people from across the world take part in celebrations that involve leaping over bonfires, performing folk music, and reciting poems, cleaning every inch of their homes, and eating copious amounts of home-cooked food in the process. Nowruz marks the spring equinox, when night and day are of equal length. It's the day when winter changes into spring in the northern hemisphere, and it feels like a new beginning.
یا یار من یار مجنون ماه خراسون جان ماه خراسون چرا دور از منی در بند افسون جان زار و هراسون زار و هراسون ببین عید اومده بلبل زده باز پرچم سر بوم شده در پای چشمه با کرشمه صد لاله رقصون صد لاله رقصون.
The emergence of Islam and its peaceful dealing with other religious beliefs and rituals, including ceremonies and rituals of the Iranian people, resulted in Nowruz to remain untouched. Iranians adopted an Islamic pattern and mixed their Iranian traditions with their Islamic belief. There are some customs and traditions before Nowruz which represent beautiful and glorious meaning. Iranians, before the New Year, start cleaning their houses, خانه تکانی, and they buy new clothes. It usually involves washing carpets, painting the house, cleaning the yard and attic, throwing all useless stuff out, growing of the greens and flowers, which is led by women and attended by family members. Bazaars are busy and people are rushing to markets to buy whatever they need as they prepare for Nowruz. Everyone is cheerful and happy because of festive days ahead. Some get ready for Nowruz by cleaning their house from top to bottom and decorating their homes with fresh flowers. When Nowruz finally arrives, people dress up and visit with friends and family, celebrating with prayers, music, and feasts. It's a time of joyful celebration. Moments before the Persian New Year, families gather around their tastefully decorated half-seen table and pray for goodwill for all the people around the world in the upcoming year. As the clock strikes, they exchange kisses and AD, that are gifts. Each of half-seen represents an element, which corresponds with 7 holy immortals that protect them. They all begin with the letter S. They include grass for rebirth, that is sabze. pudding for fertility and wealth. That is samanu.
Samanu, oy samanu, mol hafsin samanu, mol poy hafsin samanu, samanu, oy samanu, mol hafsin samanu, mol poy hafsin samanu.
The sumac plant for the sunrise of a new year. Dried fruit for love, that is senjed. Vinegar for wisdom, that is sirke. Garlic for protection, that is sir. An apple for beauty and health, or sib. Half-seen tables can also include a Quran, the central religious text of Islam, which Muslims believe to be a revelation from God, a mirror and candles reflecting into the light and future. A goldfish swimming in a bowl representing life. Painted eggs representing fertility. Families gather around the half-seen table to repeat a prayer after the eldest member of the family, looking for happiness, good health, and success. Iranian families celebrate the day of Nauroz by worshipping, praying, and picnicking in the religious shrines. Iranians meet their families and friends to say congratulations for Nauroz, receive the gifts from the parents and elder members of the family, going to the home of other families to meet the individuals face to face to improve the relations of relatives. These meetings start by the juniors, who first go to the seniors in the early days of the new year, and in the next days, seniors go to the seniors' homes.
که نوروز است در بستان پرستو با هزار آمد در بزم سبز و گل با پیچ و تاب.
Nauroz holiday is a nice and good time to trip. See other families, countries, and cities. 13 days after Nauroz is celebrated, a festival called Sizde Bedar is held. On this day, families spend time outside at the park or in the countryside and have a festive picnic. The day is all about being outside in nature and enjoying spring. Although the coronavirus pandemic has had a major impact on meetings and trips during Nauroz, the beauty of this ceremony is still significantly visible in all Iranian villages, cities, and especially in Iranian homes.
زمستان رفت بهار آمد، بهار غم گسار آمد.
Nauroz promotes values of peace, humanity, respect the elders, gender equality, harmony with nature, solidarity between generations and within families, as well as reconciliation and neighborliness, thus contributing to cultural diversity and friendship among peoples and different communities. Nauroz values are values accepted by religious and societies, especially Islam.
نوروز را به شادی فرخنده گوست بلبل، نوروز را به شادی.
Wishing you a safe, healthy and prosperous Nauroz 1401, Persian New Year 2022. As nice prayer recommended for the beginning of New Year time, we recite
بسم الله الرحمن الرحیم یا مقلب القلوب والابصار
یا مدبر اللیل والنهار یا محول الحول والاحوال حول حالنا الی احسن الحال.